it's me, it's Casey, and today I thought that I would kind of let you guys see what I've been working on. Oh, excuse my nails. I do not have my nails done and they look all freaking hot mess. I gave my nails a break for a little bit, so yes. I've been working on a lot, and I mean a lot of stuff. Like, things are happening and I'm really excited. So, for all of you longtime viewers, my Etsy shop is coming back. I'm revamping both of my channels a little bit. And yeah, by the time that you see this, all of this will be done. But oh man, it's been in the works for about 2 weeks now. And sorry if this is awkward for any of you to like just be listening to me talk and not see my face. Hello, I am a person with a million insecurities and I'm not comfortable showing my face on camera. Wowzers. So something that is very exciting that I have been working on is, like I said, my Etsy shop is coming back. I'm going to be selling a bunch of things. I have like a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know if you can see this box. This box has a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to be listing. I'm going to be doing blind bags, kind of get rid of my old stock that just never sold, and I think it'd be a good way to just get that out and let people enjoy it that would really enjoy it instead of it just sitting in a container, because I have some really good stuff in that. So blind bags in the Etsy shop. I'm also going to be doing, I'm going to try to do some clay stuff, but that'll be later on whenever I get in the swing of things again. I have something that's going to be really fun, and it's shrink plastic. These things were expensive. Oh my god. I got these at Joann Fabrics, but I'm going to be doing some shrink plastic charms, which will be really fun. And something that I used to do is I got some of these like little wooden things, so these will be really fun to paint. And yes, I've been doing digital art now. This is a huge thing that is happening. I have just like a normal tablet. I really want to kind of go in depth and kind of talk about what it's like to not have an iPad Pro and not be rich, and how you can still do art on your phone or on your tablet. You don't have to have you don't have to have the iPad to be an artist, you know what I mean? I'm working on some little Babs. I started these little cuties last night. She's like a character of mine that I've been messing around with, and yeah, I'm really excited to get her finished. Her name is Neon. I really want to put her on my Tomodachi Life Island. I think it'll be really fun. So kind of back to where I was getting at, the things that I am doing before I went off on a tangent. I am currently doing some doodles for my new Redbubble shop. I'm really excited. I'm going to be having merch. That's going to be a thing. I'm really excited. I have so many people that ask me to make merch for my gaming channel and stuff like that, and it's going to be so fun because a lot of the characters that I do have are OCs, so they're going to get some love. I have a bunch of little characters that I'm working on right now, and I just have a lot on my plate that I've kind of done for myself. I also have to record some videos for my gaming channel, and I have a lot to do. Like, a lot. Okay, so it is the next day of working on things, and oh man. Ooh, I better turn this down. I have no idea if this music is copyrighted or not. But things are going pretty good. I had a little bumps last night whenever I was working on stuff. I was designing some shrink plastic charms. Here are a few of those again. So these are like the little prototypes, and I just think they're so stinking cute. I cannot wait to put these on my shop. Focus! I'm also going to be designing some random little characters as well. I was like coming up with so many ideas yesterday. Here's the test sheet that I did. My mistake on not just cutting out a small square and testing my materials. I used, where is it? Let me see if I can find it. I used this bad boy, the Sharpie pin, and it smudged like crazy. I don't know if you can tell that, but yeah. So didn't work. I had to sharpen all of my colored pencils. I have a bunch of like different brands in here that I really love to use. Maybe I'll do like my favorite art supply video. I don't know. I think today I kind of want to work on maybe like 2 of these. I think that would be really fun. I need to figure out how I want to design these and what I want them to say, because I think they'd be really cute. Like, I love having cute little things on my desk, so personally I would just like have this on my desk somewhere. And oh man, I have designed some stuff in here. Maybe I will design a couple of these. Maybe we should sketch some stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. I really quickly designed something, and I thought, I'm sitting here thinking like maybe I should design one of them and leave the other 3 for commissions, and then I can like commission these little bad boys and like draw your me and like 3 things that your me likes, a little Game Boy or a Nintendo DS, a 3DS cartridge, and like just a random little design. Yeah, I don't know. I think that sounds like a really cute idea. So maybe I will do that. I will keep that in mind for sure. But this is just what I came up with. It's just a little chunk. And I'll probably have her on a really cute pastel, no, a really cute pastel background that looks really adorable. So I'll have to break out my paint and stuff like that. I'll do that later because that's gonna be a hot mess waiting to happen. So that'll be a design that I work on whenever I start designing all of my little base kind of shrink plastic guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and record some videos, and probably by the next time you see me, I will have everything finished and kind of ready to show you the sneak peek of everything, because I'm gonna upload a separate video showing off all of the good stuff and fun stuff. So yes, this is just me making everything. So I'm gonna go make some videos for La Gaming channel. I will see you over there.